Hi, if you want to change notification sound on your Redmi Note 14, then open Settings. Here find the tab Sound and Vibration, and after that just tap on Notifications like that. Now make sure that you can see this section Ringtone. And by the way, we just opened Themes app, so you can simply open this app right from your homepage if you don't want to open settings first, or you can just follow these steps. Let's go back in settings. Here choose notifications, and now we can simply go through this list and find any sound we like. Just choose something from the list, we can tap it. This is how this ringtone will sound. If you want to set it as your notification sound, then you can tap this bell icon and choose to select this ringtone. Or another thing we can do here is we can find this folder pre-installed ringtones, and from here choose notifications. And now we can find many default sounds for notifications. So let's check this breeze, for example. This is how it will sound. If you are using this app for the first time, you will need to allow some permissions. Just tap Allow. And now if you tap on any sound, it would be applied successfully. So we just set this notification sound, this new notification sound. By the way, we got many ads here, so just skip it and close. And another thing we can do is we can set custom sound for notifications. For that, you can select this local ringtones folder, then choose app in which you want to find your sound, for example, music. And now allow everything on this device. So basically, if you got any sounds installed on this phone, you can simply select it, then tap OK. And after that, it would be set as your notification sound. So that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.